Welcome to another Filipino income video. This time, let's talk about the harsh truth of investment funds in the Philippines. Ang mutual fund ay isang investment system kung saan ang mga investors ay nagbibigay ng pera sa isang mutual fund company at may taong nagmamanage ng investments nila. Magandang system ito kung gusto mo na hindi ka na magbabantay ng market. Papasok ka na lang ng pera and leave it for 10 to 20 years. Pero ito nga ba ang best option for you? In this video, we will talk about kung paano pinapahina ng fees ng mutual funds, yung performance nito, at kung paano ka pinaperahan ng mutual fund companies through their fees. When I was younger, I bought mutual fund units kasi ito yung pinopromote ng mga advisors katulad nila Nicolaiko of Visibilities. Ito yung sikat noong early 2000s and 2010s dahil wala pa masyadong mga low fee na funds. So we had basically no choice. Tapos, this method works for those na gumagamit ng cost averaging na method. I bought around 10k and now I am thankful na hindi ganun kalaki yung nilagay ko na pera because sobrang hina ng growth. The primary reason for this is because of many factors surrounding yung fees. First, let's talk about the management fees. Yung management fees ng most traditional na mutual fund is around 2% to 2.5% per annum. May iba pa nga na above that. While you may think na maliit yan, please consider na kukunin nila yung fee na yan regardless if positive or negative yung performance ng fund sa taon na yon. Even though na negative, nalugi ka na nga, peperahan ka pa rin. Lahat ng funds mayroong management fees. Ito yung ginagamit nila para ma-maintain yung fund. Pero kung sobrang laki ng fees, maapektahan nito yung potential profits ng investors. If invested kayo sa mutual fund, dapat i-check nyo with your mutual fund representative kung magkano yung fees. Make sure na below 1% ito. Another factor na nakaka-apekto ng mutual fund investment nyo is yung tinatawag na sales load. Isa rin itong uri ng fees na usually ina-apply ng mga companies na merong mga sales representatives. So, yung mutual fund company nyo ba merong sales rep? Meron dalawang types ng sales load, and most of the time, papipiliin ka ng mutual fund representative between the two. If hindi ka pinapili, then you need to question the motives of that sales rep. Kasi bakit di niya pinaalam sa iyo yung sales load? Ang una is yung front-end sales load, which is yung type na kinukuha nila agad when you buy in or kung pumapasok ka ng pera. Usually, 2% ito ng investment mo. So aside sa 2% na annual fee, meron ring another 2% for the sales load. So for example, gusto mong pumasok ng 100,000 na full amount. So dapat yung ipapasok mo is 102,000 pesos. Yung 2K na extra, yun yung sales load or yung front-end na sales load. Pwede naman na piliin mo is yung back-end sales load. So bago natin pag-usapan yung back-end sales load, if you enjoyed the video so far, paki-like and subscribe na lang so you will get more of this type of videos next time. Now, back to the sales load. Yung back-end sales load, yung type ng sales fee na kinukuha kung magwi-withdraw ka na. Usually, nagsastart ito at 5%. Bumaba pa ang back-end sales load habang tumatagal yung pera mo sa mutual fund. So halimbawa, if nag-invest ka this year tapos nag-withdraw ka before the end of the year, 5% yung kukunin sa investment mo. Ouch! If nag-withdraw ka naman sa second year, 4% na lang. Bababa ito ng bababa to 3%, 2% hanggang maging 0 ito in the 6th year. So yung idea is parang may penalty ka if nagwi-withdraw ka early. Ito yung pinipili ng karamihan kasi gusto nila na 0 yung fees nila when they withdraw 10 years or 20 years from now. This is all good, pero ang delikado dito ay lumalaki yung chance na matamaan ka ng isang financial crisis. Ang mga financial crisis, ito yung mga events na nagpapalugi sa atin ng more than 10, 20, or 30%. Sometimes more than that. Nangyayari ito every 8 to 12 years. So for example, we had the 2008 financial crisis that was brought about by the housing bubble collapse sa US. Ngayong 2020 naman, we had a financial crisis brought about by the pandemic. In both cases, malaki yung inatras ng market. If nasa back-end load ka pa, habang nangyari ito, di ka makaka-withdraw when the market is up. So, hindi mo masesecure yung gains mo. Meaning, lahat ng gains mo mawawala if matamaan ka ng isang financial crisis. So, for example, if nagbabantay ka ng market, tapos naka-invest ka sa isang mutual fund na walang sales load, you could have withdrawn your money back in 2018, nung pumalo sa 9,000 level yung PSEI. That was the highest point of PSEI if invested ka sa isang PSEI na mutual fund. Pero if hindi mo na-withdraw yun, lahat ng gains mo mawawala if natamaan ka ng pandemic na financial crisis. Kung mag-i-invest ka pa lang, iwasan mo yung mga types ng fund na may sales load. Kung ayaw mo ng sales load at malaking management fee, try mo mag-exchange traded fund or ETF instead of yung mga traditional na mutual funds na mga yellow, green, and red na companies. Yung FM ETF, for example, or First Metro Philippine Equity ETF, ay designed to mirror the Philippine Stock Exchange Index na performance. So wala nang management needed kasi alam na nila kung ano yung lalagyan ng pera or kung ano yung stocks na underlying assets. Dahil dito, their management fee is 0.5%. Sa pagkakaalam ko, this is lower than the traditional yellow, green, and red na mga mutual fund na companies. Second is exchange-traded fund ito. So wala siyang sales load. Makakasell ka when you need to sell at hindi ka mape-penalize kung magsasell ka early. So that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. If gusto nyo mag-invest sa isang investment fund, and if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe because it helps the video a lot and the channel a lot. Thank you and ingat guys!